In this series, we will do meditation exercises through Vincent van Gogh's masterpieces. Take a little break. A well-deserved break. You're probably busy, or maybe you have been busy, or you will be busy later, but not right now. Have a little moment of peace and quiet. Come closer. Yes, perfect. You're looking at a painting of Vincent van Gogh. Take a moment to really look at the painting, to experience it with your full attention. Take a comfortable seat. Relax your shoulders. See if you can draw your full attention to the painting. Let's get started. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Where can you feel your breath at this moment? Maybe you can feel it in your belly or in your chest. Can you make contact with your breath? Breathe in slowly, then breathe out. You don't have to change anything. Just focus on your breathing. Make contact with the rhythm of your breath. Breathe in and out. Can you feel the rhythm? Your breath is always in the here and now. When you focus on your breathing, it will take you to the here and now. Breathe in and breathe out. Then start looking. What do you see? Here in this moment? Do you see colors? Shapes? Are there thoughts popping up? Or do you have no thoughts at all? It's all fine. Round brush strokes alternate with straight brush strokes. They are in motion. Just like in life. Nothing is linear. Everything changes. Everything is in motion. What is always present in life, however, is your breath. See it as your guide through life. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Thick brush strokes alternate with thinner brush strokes. You can see this variety as ever-changing as life itself. Perhaps you find yourself in a time of stress, busyness, but that too shall pass. Or maybe you find yourself in a period of rest. This will also change, and that's okay. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. What do you see now? Maybe you've noticed that you're focused on a specific part of the painting. What does the image of the mountains and the sun do to you? Does it give you a feeling of peace? Or maybe you experience pressure. Can you feel the presence of the mountain range? The coolness and the shade that the mountain range can provide in the warmth and the light of the sun? Everything is in motion. The day alternates with the night. The sun with shadow, light with dark. Inhalation alternates with exhalation. Moments of busyness alternate with moments of peace. Everything is in motion, and everything is allowed to exist. What does this do to you? Think about it for a moment. Do you feel resistance? Or do you go along with it? Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Vincent made this painting in September 1889. He voluntarily admitted himself in an institution in the south of France. From his window he saw the mower toiling in the heat of the sun in the field. The wheat, painted with thick blobs of yellow paint, billows around him. To Vincent, the wheat symbolized the eternal cycle of nature. Everything is in motion. Things come and go. Maybe you were able to keep your focus on the painting, on your breathing, and on the moment. Or maybe not. That's okay too. Everything is allowed. Breathe in and breathe out. Your breath is always present. Only sometimes we lose our focus on it. See if you can create certain moments during the day in which you focus on your breath. That will bring you back to the here and now.